and welcome back here again. Let's complete our DRO Y lathe axis. I will use isopropanol alcohol. And see you later. And we are almost done. I need to clean up the blade. E voilà. Nice and clean cut. Now it's nice and clean and sharp. And now, not any specific dimension. And let's go. Nice. Next, I will make here 2 slots. Now I will make a through hole for M5 with the drill bit 4.2. Okay. Let's remove. And now I will tap here. But before, let's clean up this one. And this one. Okay. Now I want to make here like an angle, because like this the chip will not remain over there. Nothing fancy. Okay. Et voilà. Et voilà. Too fast. Let's check. A little bit more, but not too much. Oh, look. Perfect. And this here. Okay. Nice. And now here, like this. If we have some chips, we fell down. Little by little, is taking the final form. And now we will make the two slots on the L bracket. Five. Let's come back. And another 5. Now let's go to the other side. Let's hit 0. Okay. Hide. Zero. And also here 5 millimeter in one side and 5 to the other side. And okay, let's come back to 0. Go out and stop. Now we have to make here the two holes for the reader, but in truth also here I will make the slot like this. We can center this one in the right way with the reader. Okay, now before to put this one here, we need to index the bracket, you know, in this sense and in this other one. And we have to put the reading head with their fixture back. Do you remember this one that I removed? And this fixture was sitting here through this pin to the reading head. Now we have to turn in this way. This flat plastic dent here is at the right height, and this fixture can give us the right positioning of these things. Now should not be easy here. Look like that. Is a little bit tricky. You cannot choose the position where to. Is a predetermined position, you know. Okay. I place here the fixture, and now is 1.3 millimeter, and I also squeeze a little bit the linear scale to the bottom of the bracket. Now we should index this one, and as always it's not something very pleasant to do. It's annoying, not pleasant. Okay. At least now okay. $50 micron. Dirty. But I'm scared to move here. Let's see now. Wow, skipping. Type please. Yeah, done guys, it's working. Perfect. Okay, let me tie it and we will try to the other side. Here is done. And here also. Nice, man. At least beautiful. Nice. Oh, an important step. I did an important step. We'll come back with the reader here. Now we are almost at the center, and this is what I want. This is our things. Let me place here a shim. We have those one from Mitutoyo. No, this one doesn't fit. This one, yeah, is a tight side. This one, okay. This one is keeping the reader at the right position. Now I can make here the hole, and after we can, but I need to remove this shim, we can put our L bracket. But before to do it, we need to check these other things here. Okay, let's then check. It's not too bad. Wow. Perfect. Yeah. This is too tight. Very happy because on this way we are on the money also. So in truth, after we make here the hole, we fix the reader is mounted. Let's come back here with the bracket. And that's it. Okay, and that's it. I can remove here this fixture, and let's move forward. I place here the tool, and now finally we can back this one. Huh? Okay. Now for sure we need to indexing here. In the linear scale we are at 0. Now we have to put the reader at 0. But before we need to fix here. But before to do, I want to chamfer here all of this. So let's remove this plate. We need to keep this one here. Now I will chamfer all of this. This machine is fantastic. It's the original, it's Japanese, it's the Japanese one. It's not the copy that you can find in AliExpress. Now remove this one. And this here. Fine. And now Let's put this one back. Okay, now we use this one. Where are one? And now the second one. The washer and the ball screw. Now we'll tight one, and with the other one we will indexing. And there you can see that the reader is straight and at the right eye with the linear scale. The shim is placed. This means that we'll keep always at the same eye, and the eye is 1.2 millimeter as for the rules of Mitutoyo. Now let's indexing, and this is done. Let's check. We are not too far, eh? Okay, look fine. Let's hope. I tight everything. Let's see. We are on the money. Perfect, guys. And it's mounted. I can remove this one now. This is a mardial gouge, very nice. And this one is our limit. Like this, I don't risk to over push the reader. It's very rare that you arrive over there, but the truth is also because it's rare that you can make damage, so it's better to put a limit and we don't risk nothing. And I place there like O-ring. Let me see. Perfect. Nice. And this is done. Now let's put here this one. I will use this screw. DRO Y-axis is mounted. It came a very nice job. I'm quite happy about. Okay. Now guys, I want to do something a little bit extreme, you know. I want to try to cut this thin L cover with the slitting saw. I don't know. And came very good, and I didn't break the saw, the slitting saw. Let's see. And came very nice. Okay, around here, and I bent. Didn't was simple to bend because if you don't have a proper tool with the vices, you can do it some, but not really very clean. But it's okay, it's not a problem. I think that at the end came a very nice work. 1, 2, and 3. And this is how we look. We place here the limits, this guard, because if the chips go, will not go under here. That is more difficult to clean, you know. At least we have a little bit more protection. Wow, up to here was a long process, you know, but I decided to do it in a nice way. I hope that will remain for many years. Now I mix polyurethanic paint, is one of these. Half of this one, that is okay, and 20 universal thinner. Yep, just 20. Okay. And now let's stir. Now I will use this one, but I don't want to make dirty everything here. Okay. I need to close this one for the moment. And this one, let's put this one here. Don't fall on the floor. And now I will clean up the gun. This Ivata, guys, cost a fortune. It's better to clean properly because costs really a fortune. Okay, and now it's clean. Look, it's beautiful, man. And this here came very nice, right? Still a little fresh. I don't want to ruin. It's not 100% out of the touch. Tonight we'll have the time to I don't tie too much. And this one is how it came. Nice, right? I really hope that you like the video. If, please put a like and subscribe. And for tonight I'm done. I close in this way the video. Next time we will put the DRO screen on the wall and we will do all the cable. And finally we will try the new DRO. Thank you for watching me. Bye bye.